reaction from the feds after a San Francisco court rules they cannot force asylum seekers to wait in Mexico. Today's ruling puts a freeze on the so-called Remain in Mexico program, at least for now. Let's get to Valerie Gonzalez with the latest.
Well, this is a temporary halt on the Migrant Protection Protocol, the program that returns migrants to Mexico to await their U.S. court hearings. It goes into effect immediately, but it may not be final. Today, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals decided to halt the program in a 2-to-1 vote. Judges decided the policy doesn't comply with portions of international treaties. Under MPP, about 15,000 migrants were returned from Bronzeville to Matamoros. That's according to federal data. Overall, 61,000 were returned when the program started in January of last year at the San Ysidro, California border, was later expanded to Bronzeville. We spoke with an attorney who has been visiting Matamoros since before MPP started.
Right, that's the fallout that we're expecting and certainly anticipating, is that the CBP will use other programs that are more onerous in terms of lack of due process and the lack of ability to access the protection that's available in the United States under our treaty obligations.
Well, they believe the government could start funneling migrants into other programs like HARP, PACER, or GACA, which expedite repatriation. Right now, Goodwin says they're strategizing to see what this will mean for migrants who are already in MPP in Matamoros. The Justice Department criticized the ruling, saying the ruling, quote, not only ignores the constitutional authority of Congress and the administration for a policy in effect for over a year, but also extends relief beyond the parties before the court. The government can also appeal the decision with the Supreme Court. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 6.